Look at these ones are all chocolate, these donuts. They're new. See? New. These are the powdered ones. Those are the same old ones. This one's good. These rapper ones won't charge at all anymore. There's no juice in it, and it doesn't even say bad. It doesn't say anything. It doesn't show up on the screen. See? No good. These were from the rummage sale. These were in the remote for my camcorder. This is completely dead too. It slowly lost charge when it was almost fully charged.